Large semi-detached with 4 bedrooms plus loft, with easy access to Highway 407, surrounded by parks and high-ranked schools. Welcome to 4223 Crescent in Burlington. Hi everyone, I'm Tara Alkhalisi with Tara Realty Team. This home features plenty of space and is full of upgrades. Let's take a look inside. Entering through the covered front porch, the foyer is bright and leads to open concept living with high-end design elements. The kitchen has been updated with Corion countertops, stainless steel appliances, and features this large island, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. This space is open to the family room with beautiful hardwood floors, a feature wall with gas fireplace, and pot lights which add a modern touch to this already bright space. Another great feature in this area is the large sliding door leading to a massive deck. This is the perfect place to relax, entertain, or dine in the warmer months. Back on the main level, you'll find a formal dining space ideal for sit-down gatherings. Up the oak staircase with wrought iron pickets are 4 bedrooms connected by an open loft space, ideal for a work-from-home setup. The principal bedroom features this beautiful ensuite with double sinks and glass shower. The lower level is fully finished, featuring another living space with this wet bar and a wine fridge. Located in the family-friendly neighborhood of Alton Village near Hwys Rec Center, 4223 Crescent is close to several trail systems, plenty of shopping, and everything you need to live a convenient lifestyle. For more information about this property or to book your private viewing, feel free to reach out. I'm Tara Alkhalisi with Tara Realty Team.